Hi students, welcome to JOSAT. Today we are going to see Childhood and Growing Up Unit 2 and Unit 2 is all about stages and dimensions of development. Let's move on to the objective. Objective is all about various stages of child development, understand the period of pregnancy and understand the physical, cognitive, social and emotional development of child from infancy to adolescence. Let's go to the introduction. Birth is not beginning of life. It is an interruption in the developmental pattern that began at the time of conception. The time when the transition is being made, the prenatal experience is seen, and the necessary adjustment to it are known as infancy. Infancy is divided into two periods, period of pastorate and period of neonate. Period of pastorate is the time when the birth process is actually taking place. The period that covers the first 15 to 30 minutes after birth is period of pastorate. Next is period of neonate. The neonate is derived from the word neos meaning new and the Latin verb nascere meaning born, that is newborn. Period of neonate is the period covers the remaining of the infancy period. According to the medical criteria, it ends with the falling off of the umbilical cord about 2 weeks after birth. According to the psychologist criteria, it ends with the regaining of lost birth weight and indication of resumption of development. Let's move on to the stages of growth and development. Researchers usually use the following age periods as each bring new capacity and social expectation that serves an important transition in major theory. There are 5 periods: prenatal period, infancy, early childhood, middle childhood and late childhood. Prenatal period is from the conception of birth in the 9-month period and the most rapid time of the change taken place through the 9 month. A one-celled organism is transformed into a human baby with remarkable capacity for adjusting the life in the surrounding world. Infancy, Second, infancy is divided into two, that is neonate and infancy. Neonate is from the birth to the end of first month. Infancy is first month to the end of 1 year. Next is early childhood. Early childhood is of two types, toddler and preschool. Toddler is of 1 year to 3 year. Preschool is 3 year to 6 year. Next is middle childhood. Middle childhood is school age that range from 6 to 12 years, and next is late childhood, that is adolescent, that ranges from 13 years to approximately 18 years. Let's see brief about prenatal period. The vast change that takes place during the 38 weeks of pregnancy are usually divided into three periods: period of zygote, period of embryo and period of fetus. Let's see the period of zygote in depth. The period of zygote lasts about 2 weeks from fertilization until the tiny mass of cell drift down and out of the fallopian tube and attach itself to the wall of uterus. The zygote first cell duplication is long and drawn out. It is not complete until 30 hours after the conception. Gradually, new cells are added at a faster rate. By the fourth day, 60 to 70 cells exist that forms a hollow, fluid-filled ball called the blastocyte. The cell inside the blastocyte called the embryonic disc that will become the new organism. The thin outer ring of the cell termed as trophoblast will become the structure that provide protective curing and nourishment. Next is period of embryo. The period of embryo lasts from implantation through the 8th week of pregnancy. In the first week, the embryonic disc forms 3 layers of cells: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. The ectoderm, which will become the nervous system and skin; the mesoderm, which will develop the muscle, skeleton and circulation system; and the endoderm, which will become the digestive system, lung, urinary tract and gland. At 3 by 3.5 week, the top swells to form the brain. At the end of first month, the curled embryo, only 1 by 4 inch long, consists of millions of organized group of cells with a specific function. In the second month, eyes, ear, nose, jaw, and neck formed. At 7 week, production of neuron being deep inside the neural tube at the sounding space of more than 250,000 per minute. At the end of this period, the embryo is about 1 inch long and 1 by 7 ounce in weight. Next is period of fetus. The period of fetus from the 9th week to the end of the pregnancy is the longest prenatal period. In the third month, the organ, muscle, nervous system start to become organized and connected. Prenatal development is sometimes divided into trimesters or three equal time period. At the end of third month, the first trimester is completed, and so on the second semester and third semester. By the middle of the second semester, that is between 17 and 20 week, the new being has grown large enough that the mother can feel its movement. And at the end of second semester, many organs are well developed. Brain weight increase tenfold from the 20th week until the birth. During the final semester, the fetus born early has a chance of survival. The brain continues to make great strides and the fetus gains more than 5 pounds and grows 7 inches. Next is infancy. Infancy extends from birth to 1 year. It is a time of extreme dependence on adult. Many activities such as language development, symbolic thoughts, sensory motor coordination, and social learning are just beginning. Neonate. Infancy is divided into two periods, period of postnate and period of neonate. The period of postnate covers first 15 to 30 minutes after birth, and period of neonate covers the period of birth to the end of 1 month. Let's see the physical development, cognitive development, and social and emotional development of infancy in child. Physical development refers to the physical change in the body and involves changes in the bone thickness, size, and weight, gross motor, fine motor, vision, hearing, and perceptual development. Cognitive development refers to the way children reason, develop language, solve problem, and gain knowledge. Social and emotional development is learning to relate to other in the social development. The expression of feeling about self and other and thing describe emotional development. Social and emotional development are often described and grouped together because they are closely interrelated growth pattern. Let's see the physical development of neonate. Neonate physical development, they proceed from head to the foot and central part to extremities, develop basic reflex needed to survive, keep their hands clenched in the fist most of the time, cannot organize their hands and eyes to work together. The cognitive development of neonate is watch an object about 12 to 15 inch away, smile selectively at mother's voice, show startled reflex to sudden noise, distinguish smell and taste. And social and emotional development of neonate is neonate will sleep on average between 17 and 19 hours a day, begin to recognize their primary caregivers. Let's see the infancy physical development. Smile at familiar face and voice. Infant begin to keep their hands open, focus their eyes and track a moving object or caregiver, move their arms and legs in a swimming fashion or tricking their legs out. Their first teeth, milk teeth or delicious deciduous teeth make many comes. Turn their head towards sound and movement. They can support a bottle on their own during feeding. With a little help, they can hold a sitting pose, touch genital. They can turn over or turn their own on a flat surface, put everything in their mouth, begin to creep crawl on their bottom. Next is Cognitive development of infancy move their head towards different color and changes in lighting. Attracted to the people's voice, they reach towards the sound of toys that make noise. Infant anticipate being fed and may open their mouth when food is in sight. They start to copy the expression or movement of caregiver. They may be able to focus on only one toy at a time. Infant will imitate spoken word or sound made by their caregiver. They speak their first word, aware of the caregiver's name and react when it is called. Begin to interact verbally with their caregiver. Social and emotional development of infant respond with a smile when someone smiles at them. They enjoy being gently kickled and jiggled. A familiar voice can soothe them when they are upset. Infant have a strong attachment to their primary caregiver. They understand that they are separated from their caregiver. Start to show stranger anxiety around unknown adult. Respond negatively if a toy is taken from them. Infant will try to keep their primary caregiver in sight. Become attached to the favorite toy. May show a separation, anxiety, crying when a caregiver leave. They may share belongings with other infant, more demanding and assertive, emotionally volatile. Next is early childhood, that is preschool year. Early childhood extends from the end of infancy to about 6 years. During this period, children become more sufficient, develop school reading skill, and spend many hours with peer. Let's see the toddlers tabler of 1 to 3 years. Physical development of the toddler: walk alone, stoop and stand up again, climb up on furniture, feed self with finger, chew most food well, run stiffly, ask for food and drink by vocalizing and gesturing, jumps in a place, holds pencil with thumb and forefinger, build tower of 6 to 8 cubes, dresses with a supervision, eat with fork and spoon. Next is cognitive development of toddler. Understand the word no, point to the picture in the book, enjoy simple story, speak 50 or more word, verbalize toilet need, points to body part, give full name when asked, recognize familiar people at 6 meter, matches 2 or 3 primary color. And let's see the emotional and social development of toddler. They show strong dependence on primary caregiver with the increasing difficulty of separation, wants to have a caregiver near all time, immediate adult activity, play alone or beside other children, enjoy role playing, claim and defend ownership of own thing, like price, has auditory fear, show sympathy, pity, modesty and shame, enjoy other children's company but reluctant to share toys. Next is the preschool year, 3 to 6 years. The physical development of preschool is growth during the period is relatively slow. Preschoolers gain approximately 1.8 kg per year, doubles birth length by 4 to 5 years of age. Pulse rate is 80 to 120 beat per minute. Respiration is 20 to 30 counts per minute, and BP is 100 by 67 plus 24 by 25. They can brush own teeth, hit a ball with a bat. Most toilet trained. Next is cognitive development of preschool. Copy a circle and a cross. Use scissor color within the border. Write some letter and draw a person with a body part. Building with small blocks. Playing a board game. Matches 2 or 3 primary color. Knows time of days for a basic activity. Matches symbol, letter and number. Imitate adult speech. Ask questions like what, why and how from letters and write and own name. Next is the emotional and social development of preschool. Begins to be able to give reason for the belief and the action but not true cause effect relationship. Fears the dark. Express aggression through physical and verbal shows signs of jealousy of siblings, tolerate short separation, less dependent on parent, attachment to opposite sex parent. According to the Erikson theory, the preschoolers is in the stage where he develops a sense of initiative, where he want to learn what to do for himself, learn about the world and other people. Inability to perform self-care tasks, hand washing, simple dressing, daytime toileting, lack of socialization, able to form firm friendship, self-directed in many activities. Next is middle childhood, that is school age of 6 years to 12 years. Let's say the physical, cognitive, and emotional and social development of school age. Physical development growth is slower than in preschool year but steady. School age child gain weight about 3 to 8 kg per year. Cognitive development name all color, identify similarity and difference among picture. Emotional and social development has poor ability to modulate things, show jealousy of other. Physical development of school age child gain height about 5 centimeter per year, plus pulse is 90 plus 15 per minute, respiration is 21 plus 3 centimeter per minute, BP is 100 by 60 plus 16 by 10. Ties own shoe. In the later stage of the middle childhood, body change indicate approaching puberty. He has well developed hand eyes coordination, has well developed small muscle, rides bicycle. The cognitive development of school age matches the word, use simple measurement, speaks fluently, understand cause effect relationship, learn to solve addition and subtraction combination, likes to use big word, show various enjoyment of reading, prefer silent reading, like to read for fact and information, participate in discussion of social and world problems. The emotional and social development of school age is frequently frustrated, becomes quiet and swollen when angry, frequently disappointed by own performance, anxious to please other, appears emotionally more stable, enjoy sharing secret and discuss mysteries with friend, believes friend over parent, show frequent anger, tends to have sincere, trusting, and physical affectionate relationship with mother, tends to have a positive, adoring, admiring relationship with father. Next is late childhood, that is adolescent, that ranges from 13 years to 18 years. Let's see the physical development of adolescent. Pulse rate is 60 to 80 counts per minute, and respiration is 16 to 20 counts per minute. Cognitive development of adolescent is through formal operational thinking, adolescent can deal with a problem, developing ability to think abstractly, and the emotional and social development of adolescent is this period is accompanied usually by the changes in emotional control. Adolescents exhibit alternating and recurrent or episodes of disturbed behavior with periods of quiet one. He may become hostile or ready to fight, complain or resist everything. Physical development is of two divisions. Secondary sex characteristic in boys, increase in size of genitalia, growth of public axillary, facial and chest hair, change in voice, rapid growth of shoulder breadth, production of spermatozoa, and secondary sex characterized in the girls, increase in transverse diameter of the pelvis after initial breast budding around the age of 10. Girls breast gradually begin to swell, change in the vaginal secretions, public and axillary hair begin to grow darken and become curlier. First menstrual occur between 12 to 13 years. Cognitive development of adolescent, becoming more globally aware, choice relating future education and career being thought about, Fluid intelligence peaks in 20 seconds, decline thereafter. Crystallized intelligence improved until 30 seconds, then declines slowly afterwards. The social and emotional development of adulthood. He needs to know who is he and relation to family and society, etc. That he develops a sense of identity. Adolescents show interest in other sex. He looks for close relationship. Body change can upset self-esteem. Some are more assured about changes in setting, want to spend more time with friends than family, psychologically distance self from parent, identity with peer group, social acceptance depends on conformity to observable traits, ambivalent about sexual relationship, sexual behavior is exploratory, friendship based on loyalty and trust. We have come to the end of the unit 2 in childhood and growing up. Here are the questions of unit 2. First, explain the three major periods of pregnancy. Second, compare the physical, cognitive, social and emotional development of early childhood, middle childhood and adolescent. These are the important questions of unit 2 in childhood and growing up. Please make use of it and all the best for your exam. Notes of this unit is given below in the description box. Please make use of it and please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you friends.